Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily save the Google Drive files to your Windows PC or laptop. Once you're on your computer, guys, you want to go ahead and open up whichever browser you have. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome, and you want to go ahead and head over to Google. If you're not yet signed into your account, go ahead and click on the upper right and sign into your account. Once you're signed in, you will see it look just like this, show that you're currently signed in. Now, click the Google Apps icon here right next to your account, and you want to click on Drive. This is going to take you over to your Google Drive, and I recommend that on the left hand side, click on My Drive. This is going to show you all of your files and your folders organized in a really nice way. Let's say you want to download a folder. You can go ahead and find that folder, right click on it, and you'll find download. Quickly click on the download button. It's going to go ahead and zip that folder, and it's going to download it for you. Especially when you're downloading folders, it will go ahead and unzip those files within it, unzip the folder, and you'll be able to download that right onto your computer. If it's a single file or a single document, you can easily download it by right clicking on it. Let's try this docs file here. Right click on that, click download, and you will see that it downloads the single file. Now once it's downloaded, you can either go ahead and find the pop-up within the browser to locate the folder, but if your computer is set with a default download location, all you really have to do, guys, is go ahead and open up your file explorer on your PC, and once you open it, look for downloads on the left hand side, click on that, and here you'll find your file. You can find the file to download, and if it's a zip file, you can also go ahead and unzip that file. So let's say I want to unzip this file. I find a file here, test folder, right click in that, and I'm going to click on extract all, then click on extract. And you don't need any other application such as WinRAR or 7-zip to extract the file. Right click on it and unzip it, and you'll be able to open the file. Once it's done, you will see an extract file of that file that you basically downloaded and extract, and you'll see the folder here. You can double click and open the folder, and within that folder you'll find all of those files that you have. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.